Hi, good morning. Today we will see section of solids problem. The sectional plane is inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. That is a prism problem we will see now. Let us see the problem. The problem is a hexagonal prism. Base is 35 mm. Base is 35 mm and height is 65 mm. So listen this key point. Rests on its base on HP. Rests on its base on HP. That is the important thing. So based on this, we can come to the understanding that when it is on HP, the base will be parallel to HP. First, we need to draw the base. Base is hexagon. First, we need to draw the top view base. First, we need to draw base. That is top view. That is hexagon. Top view is hexagon. That is hexagon. The condition given is hexagon. The condition given is one base edge parallel to VP. So one side of the hexagon should be parallel to VP. One side should be one side should be parallel to VP or parallel to XY line. So first we need to do the top view. Next thing is it is then we second step is we need to predict the front view. Front view is rectangle. Height will be height of the axis, that is 65 mm. Height of the rectangle is 65 mm. Rectangle height is 65 mm. Width now we will get from the projections of top view. Width another we will get from automatic projections from the top view. How another we will see now. Next one is it is cut by a sectional plane. So here incline, that is sectional plane is inclined towards right, like this it will be there. Sectional plane is inclined towards right, which makes an angle of 30 with the horizontal, 30 with the HP, and at a height now it will be axis is there now at a height of 45, at a height of total 65. So at a height of 45 now it is making a section for the solid. So this condition we need to remember as a third case. When it is making section, we need to predict a sectional top view plus front view plus true shape of the section. True shape of the section also we need to predict these projections. Let us assume this is a solid. Let us assume it is the first quadrant. This will be vertical plane and this will be horizontal plane. This will be horizontal plane. So in front of a distance is not given. Therefore, you can draw any at any convenient distance below XY line. This will be VP. This is the reference line XY. So while seeing from the top, we will get hexagon. This is hexagon. Hexagon. So while seeing from the front, it will be rectangle. It will be rectangle on the VP. So let us go to the projections. This is the final solution. So first we need to draw the top view. Top view is a hexagon. So let us take one side, that is 35 mm. Here you draw 60 degrees line. On this line you measure 60 mm, 35 mm. You will get fourth point. On this line you measure 35 mm. You will get a 60 degrees line. No, this will be 60. This will be 60 degrees. This is also 60 degrees line. So on this line now you measure 35, you will get 1 point as well as 4 point. 1.4 point. Or you will get A. You will get A point. This is A. You will get this is BC. You will get A, B, C, D point. Next thing is you draw one vertical line like this. You draw one vertical line from this point also. This A as a center you draw, you will get F point, and C as a center you will set the vertical line, you will get the E point. Join those points in a sequential order means you will get A, B, C, D, F is a hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F is regular hexagon of equal length. So next one is you take the corresponding projections from A. This will be A dash. From B and F, B dash of F dash. From C and E, you will get C dash of from D you will get D dash. Similarly, this will be the bottom surface, and this will be the top surface. This will be the top surface. That you can make it as a P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash, T dash. Next one is equals T U dash. Like this, you will get the top view, and this will be height will be. This is height will be. This height is 65 mm. This total height is 65 mm. Now you measure the length is equal to 40. Height of the no, 45 mm. No, 45 mm. So at a height of 45 mm, here you measure 30 degrees. You will get this horizontal face or sectional plane. That will be sectional plane. This is called as P. So you will get the number of points on the edges. This is called as 1 dash. This is called as a 2 dash of 6 dash, and this is called as 3 dash of 5 dash, and last one is 4 dash. 4 dash. Like that you will get the different sections or sectional points on the different edges of the hexagonal prism. Now this truncated portion is called as sectional front view. This is there now. This is called as sectional front view, and this portion is now you draw 45 degrees line now. This total thing is called as sectional top view. This is called as sectional top view. That is nothing but hexagon only, sectional top view, and this remaining portion of remaining is called as sectional front view. So if you want to predict the true shape of the section now, what we need to draw is we need to draw one more section, a reference line, that is x1 y1, x1 y1, that will be parallel to xy. So x1 y1 should be parallel to xy line at any convenient distance. At any convenient, you can take any distance x, or you let us take 40 mm or 50 mm, take any distance. So perpendicular to x1 y1 line, you draw projectors from each two. So this is the projector from 1, this is the projector from 2 and 6, this is the projector from center axis, or this is the projection from 3 of 5, and this is the projection from 4. Next thing is you from below xy line, no, below xy line you will find you measure all the dimensions. That means you measure the length of 1 point. Suppose let us take one distance. Suppose it is at a distance of x centimeters, means you note the 1 point here, that is 1. And next one is similarly this side now. This will be the axis now. So this side you will get this will be 4th point. Next one is on second below xy line you measure the 2nd and 6th now. Above now you measure this will be above xy line, you measure 2nd point and 6th point. And next one similarly you measure these distances 5 and this 5 and 3. 5 and 3 is there now. You measure these distances and you place the same distances here. Here now you will get so this will be 6 and this will be 2. You measure this will be 5, this will be 5, and this will be 3, and last one is 4 is already there. Now you join those points in a sequential order. That is 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, and 6 to 1. So this is called as true shape of the section. Here you can use hashing also 44 degrees line in order to indicate the true shape of the section. So this is called as true shape of the section. True shape of the section. This is called as what is that? Sectional front view, and this thing is called this is called as sectional top view. Like this we can predict the sectional top view, sectional front view, and true shape of the section. So I hope you understand this problem. For more problems, for more concepts, you can subscribe me at THPRASADS in the Google search, in the YouTube search. Also, you can at the bottom of the right side corner of the video, you will find subscribe button. There also you can subscribe me for more videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.